Hey guys, this is coming at you from Swansea Bay. So I'm just down at the National Wales Air Show thing, basically just the air show, and the weather is absolutely stunning. I'm here with my friend Chloe, but she's sunbathing. So we've just seen the Battle of Burton and we have seen the Tigers parachute display, which was pretty cool. So yeah, can't wait for the red arrows because they're my favourite and they're always a crowd pleaser as well. So I brought my Union Jack flag / scarf with me as well because I like to be patriotic and all that jazz. And I'm wearing my little arrow earrings as well, and I've got red lipstick on, red shoes and a red bag because I'm sad like that. See you later.
Better way to enter your display arena. Series of wing overs and rolls. Mark Levy there, he was an air traffic controller at one time and a part-time flying instructor.
I love the music that they've got in the background, it's brilliant! I'm gonna have to edit this like crazy screen.
And if flying with the Yakovlevs and having the full career as an airline pilot is not enough, when he's not flying, Mark is an enthusiastic triathlon competitor. Meanwhile, at number 2, and in the tail there, is Dave Boardman. And you know what's coming next?
The hearts, the hearts!
I didn't know they did the heart.
Oh, I see. That's cool. He's smiling. That's pretty cool.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, when you start like that, you know it's going to get better all the time. This is exciting stuff. He's starting high to give good visibility and to give you the best possible camera activity. Here's more. Here's the big smile.
So cool. see what's going on.
Yeah. Be on their radar.
No, I mean when the fellow passengers look out the window.
Let's give the pilots a big wave on the beach, everybody! Once again, upside down, 2,500 feet, they're finishing that big mix and roll. On the far right, as we look at it, is Red 8. He's put... Red 1 calls cunning right now as he twists this lip towards us through 90 degrees. You can see why this shape is called hammer. Now keep your cameras ready for the good bit as we start the second part of our display. This is the hammerhead brake. Cameras ready, this is the goose. Each of the pilots of the Revolution flying an air of 7,000 feet. On comes their white smoke as they get ready to draw a fabulous heart in the blue skies over Swansea Bay. Keep your eyes to the top right of the heart. You'll see a third aircraft approaching to add a final touch. On comes his smoke. This is Red 9 as he draws a spear through the heart. Red 9 turns his smoke off. Back on it comes as he finishes the spear. There we go, Red 6, 7 and 9 with their heart and spear. Now left and right for the synchro pair. This is the Twister. The flying pilots use a little rudder to swing the jets out like a pendulum.
Crowd pleasers.
4G in their normal side.
So they get there for morale.
And blue smoke.
They don't actually have a pit.
No, they just
The Python. The Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team.
Hey guys, back home, and guess who else is home too? Harley, say hi. Say hello. You want the boat? It's not a boat, it's a lid. Say hi. It's a lid. Come and say hello then. No? Okay. Guess what we are starting tomorrow? Potty training. Oh, you brushing mummy's hair? Brush mummy's hair then. Ow, 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 ow. Potty training commences tomorrow. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Do duck face, Hall. Do duck face. To the camera, do duck face.
Bye.
Do duck face.
Bye.
No, do duck face first.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, say bye then.
Bye.
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 Have fun.
Have fun.
Hey guys, so it's like nearly, what is it? Oh, 11 o'clock at night. I just fell asleep on the sofa watching YouTube videos, as you do. I'm lucky I'm doing well to flip and take my makeup off. That's how tired I am. I'm so tired. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It's a little bit different. It's not really many clips of me, just lots of clips of planes. So, if that's not your bag, then I'm sorry. But it's been a lovely sunny day, and I do believe that's probably why I'm so tired. So I've been sitting in the sun all day, all night. Superstar DJ, here we go. Oh god. I'm just basically taking all the crap that's on my bed off my bed and making a hash of it. Oh, I'm so tired. So tired. Right, night guys, and I'll see you tomorrow when potty training shall commence. Oh my god. Bye, have fun.